It's red at youtube.com.
You know how you feel like, say boy, me I go something and hide and afraid. Me not afraid. Right now, this is the best way for me to deal with the situation. You understand? Because this is about my friend life. You know? The man get shot in front of him, woman, you know, 9 away apart. You know? You understand? 9 away. One bag of police and soldier I jump over my fence and them thing there. Want to shoot all my dog and them thing there. Them thing in the right, brother. I'm a criminal. I'm challenging this police officer. You understand? When I say I challenge the police, I challenge that police officer here will kill my friend. Him me I talk about. See, now at the end of the day, you try to kill my friend in front of me. You try to kill me and kill my friend. You understand? And I know how you feel like, say boy, I go something and hide and afraid. I'm not afraid. You understand? I'm not afraid. All you can do, I kill me. I kill me. Kill me. When I see me on the road, that's all. Kill me. I jump over my fence and them thing there. Want to shoot all my dog and them thing there. Kill me. When I see me on the road, that's all. Want to shoot all my dog and them thing there. Kill me. My dog, kill me. When I see me on the road.
It's red at youtube.com.